Guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will fine. May Allah bless you. In this beautiful video, I hope you will like it. And this beautifully as amazing. So very different. In this different or beautiful stone printing. And this different so amazing. Different stone paintings ideas. I hope you will like it. And this my unique are very different, so you can enjoy. And different collection, so this very different all styling. And friends, you can enjoy my unique and different collection. And friends, different styling ideas and different selection. In this different, hope you will enjoy. So friends, this is different. And friends, so that's my unique or very decent or beautifully amazing stone sculpt all ideas. Will you like it? And friends, so you can enjoy my unique or very different collection and very interested or very pretty styling ideas, so you can watching it. And friend, this different style. And friend, this different all my uniques and different styling. Or different collections, so will you like it? This difference all unique new styling. And friends, and different styling or unique new designing. And find different stones, arts, pebble, stones craft. So will you like it as an enjoy my unique and different styles.